2024 Best Sport Motorcycle for Beginners Honda Rebel 300. In the realm of entry-level sport motorcycles, the 2024 Honda Rebel 300 emerges as a stylish and accessible choice, offering novice riders an engaging platform to step into the world of sport bike enthusiasm. Recognized as one of the best sport motorcycles for beginners, the Rebel 300 seamlessly combines a distinctive design, approachable performance, and rider-friendly features, reflecting Honda's commitment to crafting motorcycles that embody a perfect synergy between style, affordability, and the sheer joy of sport bike riding. In 2024, the Rebel 300 continues to captivate riders globally, standing as a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the excitement of mastering the art of high-performance motorcycling. 1. Striking cruiser design with a sporty edge. The Honda Rebel 300 boasts a striking cruiser design with a sporty edge, setting it apart from traditional sport motorcycles. With its low-slung profile, minimalist bodywork, and a hint of rebellion in its aesthetics, the bike exudes a unique and contemporary presence on the road. Honda's commitment to a distinctive design ensures that the Rebel 300 not only delivers a visually appealing riding experience but also stands as a testament to the fusion of style and sport bike dynamics. 2. Responsive single-cylinder engine for approachable performance. At the heart of the Rebel 300 lies a responsive 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, delivering a balance of accessible power and smooth performance. Honda's engine design focuses on user-friendly power delivery, making it an ideal choice for novice riders looking to experience the thrill of sport bike riding. The Rebel 300's engine provides ample power for city cruising, relaxed highway riding, and spirited urban exploration, offering a versatile platform for riders to dip their toes into the world of high-performance motorcycling. 3. Nimble handling and cruiser comfort. Designed for nimble handling, the Honda Rebel 300 features a lightweight chassis and cruiser-tuned suspension that contribute to its responsive and comfortable characteristics. The bike's balanced geometry and relaxed seating make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through city traffic, enjoy leisurely rides, and experience the joy of sport bike dynamics. The Rebel 300's nimble nature enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and savor the thrill of dynamic rides. 4. Comfortable seating and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the Rebel 300 features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The cruiser-inspired bike offers a laid-back seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and a relaxed riding posture, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Honda's commitment to rider comfort makes the Rebel 300 not only a stylish option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting, weekend getaways, and stylish city cruising. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 Rebel 300 seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. These include a contemporary instrument cluster, optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, and Honda's engineering excellence, adding essential functionality without compromising the bike's accessible appeal. Honda ensures that the Rebel 300 remains a technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of style with essential safety features. Conclusion. The 2024 Honda Rebel 300 stands as a global icon of entry-level sport bike style and accessibility, securing its position as one of the best sport motorcycles for beginners. Its distinctive design, responsive single-cylinder engine, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of high-performance motorcycling with a desire for stylish flair. Whether mastering the basics, cruising city streets with style, or embracing the thrill of dynamic rides, the Rebel 300 encapsulates the spirit of Honda's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of accessible sport bike greatness. As a symbol of accessible style, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of high-performance motorcycling, the 2024 Honda Rebel 300 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of sport motorcycles for beginners.